Hi there. If you try to install any software and suddenly this comes. So, let's fix it permanently. Come to your desktop. On Start, type Security. And head to it. App and Browser Control. Reputation-based protection. Now, one by one switch off all the buttons you see. Also, you can come to Virus and Threat Protection to switch off additional such settings. Done. Now we are ready enough to go. So, this is how you can simple get rid of this smart screen problem. Please be with us and subscribe to inspire. Goodbye.